Right now I'm on the backyard, near the toilet. It's raining right now. See? Here they grow up maize. These are maize planting here. This is the room where they keep up their goats. Because of during the rain falling, the goats, they are afraid of water, you see? It's here where they sleep. Let me show you. You see the goats here. See where they keep their animals. Goats and chicken, they sleep in the same room, but right now the chicken are out. You see the condition here. It's raining right now. Tintiba really need help. See that living condition, Now the rain is falling. You see how the toilet condition is. The kids are waiting. The rain is falling. The toilets have no roof. Yeah, I'm really appealing to people to please help Tintiba. This so sad, The whole toilet use this only one. The whole village use this only one toilet. The elders, everything, they use this toilet. But now, as the toilet building is coming to start very soon, maybe in 2 days later, we're gonna start digging the boreholes. Like the soccer way for the drainage, to start up the toilet. So this is a condition of toilets. During the rain falling, the toilet have no roof. We might need roofs to roof all the toilets. So I'm appealing to the people, to the donors, to please help Tintiba. We need more donations to make blocks. So this is a condition how they live. It's very sad. So Mr. Dean, you are doing wonderful. You are here to help the poor people in Gambia. Since you come to Gambia, what we see from you is you always help the poor peoples, because of the condition going here is so sad. So this is the way how they live here. Thank you very much, Mr. Dean. Heavy rain falling.